Hi guys, welcome back to DaveJohnson.online, and I'm Dave Johnson. If you don't know me by now, come along and see my blog. Tell you all about me in the About You section. There's some free training in my webinar just over here. Just click it there, or click on there to go to my blog. Subscribe to get some new posts, and while you're at it, can you just drop us a like and subscribe to my channel, please, if you wouldn't mind. Lots of free information to come. There's lots of free information on my channel at the moment, and it's coming out more or less every day now. So let's keep it going. Let's earn money together online. So what I wanted to talk to you today is for the serious affiliates. Now, if you're just starting out, this isn't for you. So I won't waste your time. Switch off now and watch another one of my other videos, because this one is for the serious affiliates, for joint ventures. And I've been talking to my good friend yesterday and the day before, and he said I can go ahead with this. It's absolutely flying out the window, folks. This has not got to be missed, honestly. I don't know how to explain it, so I'll just take you over to the page now. And this is basically it. Mr. John Thornhill, a very good friend of mine, we're doing the best JV offer you have ever seen in your life. Okay, so I don't have to go through it all. It doesn't cost you anything, but it seriously needs to be seen. Come and take part, see what he's got to say, follow the whole process, and let's make loads of money together with this. This is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So it gives you everything we need to do to carry on. It won't cost you a penny. So let's get making money online, guys. This is serious stuff. I do mean serious. So get on it early, and we'll see you another time. Hopefully I'll have some free offers for you and some good material and some good software to work with in the future. For now, take care guys. See you again soon.